Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today you see all these nice little colors I have out. I've already mixed up my gentian resin, I've already mixed up my T-Expert resin and put the colors in it already. I'm going to try for one of those beautiful sunsets that you get with the different colors in it and some grass right there. But these are the colors I used, and they're all linked below. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and just pour a little bit of the clear. Well, no, I'm not going to pour clear. I'm going to go straight for the sunset. Back these up a little bit. I'll be careful. I'm a tend to do stuff like that. Tend to make things fall. Let's do the green down here toward the bottom. I'm not pouring too much because I'm going to mix them in as I go. And then we'll go with the yellow, or the gold, I should say. And we got purple. And then the blue. I might have to mix up more of these colors. I just wanted to get some. And then we'll go with the orange. And then the pink on top. I'll pour a little bit of clear in between some of these, just to make the mix a little easier. Okay, let's get back with the green. I'm going to keep going and pushing them back into one another. Oh, that's... Wait till you see when I get done. It's going to be pretty. I sure hope. I've not tried this before, but I'm going to blend them together a little bit too, so it's not like they're going to be just stripes. Go. Orange. And the pink. A little more gold. I'm just going to drip it through a little bit. Same with orange. Okay. I'm going to do all these colors like that. Here we go. This purple, I'm mainly keep it in the purple. Just a little bit. Go down. This green, I'm just strictly stick to the bottom. One thing I like about resin is it does do what it wants it to do, but you can kind of create what you want it to be, what you want it to do, if you're careful about it. All right, I'm going to pour a little bit more of this resin in here, the clear resin. So I want to fill up the tray. And this will all blend together here in just a little bit anyway. Let me get a little bit more resin. I've got some more mixed up over here off screen. Ooh, I know what I need to do on this set. I need to put a little bit of my, oops, sorry. I need to put a little bit of my sparkling in it. So it'll go down just a little bit. See, not a lot. Stir it up real good. I just noticed that ring light is right there in your way. Sorry. Okay, got that stirred up. Most likely all this sparkle will drop through this other layer. And that's what I'm planning on. All right then. Move these aside. I'm going to get one of my sticks. And we're going to just kind of blend this all together. Once I get this done, I'm going to put some stickers on it so it's not like it's detrimental if I don't have it perfect. But I kind of want to go for the sunset. Doesn't mean it's going to work. But okay. That actually looks pretty decent. Hopefully it stays in a decent way. And I will be back to you when it's time to demold this and flip it over and do the stickers. Okay, see you then. Hi everybody, it's time to get this out of here and see what it looks like and do the other side. Lay it down. That's pretty interesting. It's not as pretty as I hoped it would be, but it's pretty. Well, here's some stickers I got that I'm going to put in. In case you can't read this, it says stop petting my peeves. You know, our pet peeves that we have. And you know how we all have our own pet peeves. So what you do is you peel the sticker. Now you only have one shot with this. Once it's down, it's down. You can't lift it up and reposition it. It's one of the DTF stickers. Put it right here. Make sure you get all the bubbles out. I got a bunch of these little sarcastic stickers, but I want something more sweet than sarcastic, but that's like the most sweetest thing. And you can always say, stop petting my peeves, because, you know, you don't want to pet a porcupine, now do you? That would not be very comfortable. Okay, let's see. Put it right there. There we go. When you use these stickers, make sure you press hard on them, because they might want to come up. Trust me, I know. I tried to put some on something on my husband's cup the other day. It says, if you don't want it, or if you didn't want a sarcastic answer, don't ask the question. I love my husband, but he is he can be very sarcastic at times. Ah, come on, get up. It's that top sticker I'm trying to get off, and it doesn't want to come up. There we go. It's really sticky. It doesn't really have any stickiness here. It's just around the sticker. There we go. Got that off. Now this one's the tricky one because it's got all those words on it. And if you're not careful, you can lift up the words. That's what I did on my daughter's. The words kept lifting up. I mean, my husband's. I did one for my daughter, too. Actually, I did a couple of them for him. But just peel it slow and at an angle. And there you go. Now, you don't have to top coat this, but I think I'm going to go ahead and top coat it. So I will be back when I've got my resin mixed up. Well, I decided to go ahead and add a few more things to my tray. I've got my resin mixed up, but I want to add a few things. I'm going to cut around the butterflies a little bit better. This is washi tape. And I know a lot of people are familiar with washi tape. It's basically the same thing as DTF when it comes to putting it on, but you don't have to take that top layer off because there is no top layer. So whatever you cut around it, it stays. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward what I'm doing here, my little design, so you don't have to worry about sitting through me trying to open this thing. But I'm going to use the couple of pieces. Well, let me show you a couple pieces of tape before I do that. A lot of people use the tape method, which is you take 2 pieces of tape, you stick one to the top and one to the bottom, like that. And it's supposed to, and peel them back, and it's supposed to take the tape off. Sometimes I have, there it goes. See, sometimes I have good luck with it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on, the day. Okay. Put you right there to cover up that spot. And I'll go ahead and fast forward now. I've got my resin right here. I think I'm going to put a touch of this glitter in. Just a touch, just enough to make it sparkle a little bit. Nothing major, just that much. Got like 2 ounces mixed up. I don't know if I'll need all of it or not. Let's see. Oh yeah, that'll give it just enough shine. Let's go ahead and pour it on here. Yeah, I know I'm going to have to use all of this. Spread it around. I'm spreading it to the edges so that way it'll go to the edges, hopefully. Hope I made enough. It was 2 ounces that I made for it. I'm going to have to get my heat gun out and move it around a little bit. I heated it up a little bit, and now I'm going to move it around a little bit. Should be enough. But it doesn't look like it is. It looks like it's got a bunch of fish eyes. Let me get my palette knife. This spreads things better, gets in corners better. Well, I'll keep an eye on it for a little while. And if I find I need to get some more, I'll put some more on it. But I think I'm going to be okay if I just keep an eye on it for a little while. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe, share, and hit that comment button. It really does help my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll have pictures at the end so that you can see it. I found a bubble right there. I'm trying to squish out. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And I'll get some pictures of this when it's done. Thanks again. Bye for now.